AirPods are a pretty cool gadget, but the case is pretty… boring. But with a 3D pen, we can make it a lot more fun. Start by creating vertical lines on the case. Keeping the lines tight together, work your way around the case. Remember to go around the bottom. Don't forget to do the bottom of the case, and again, avoid the lightning port. Once that's done, switch colors and draw a circle on the lid. Use the 3D pen to stick the triangles to the top of the case. Then add on the flowers. Finally, draw on some eyelashes. A unicorn case for your AirPods. Hey, look at this! That's so cute! I know. My case is so plain. Whoa! La la la!
Phew, this is hard work. I don't believe it! This is an amazing discovery! Gently does it. This is a perfect example of Roman pottery. I'll be famous. I need to keep it somewhere safe. Oh, this shelf will do. It's so beautiful.
Time to clean. There's dust everywhere. Huh? What's this cup doing here? It's so old and grubby. But I know how to fix this. Place the cup upside down. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and scrunch it into a ball. Apply a small dab of glue to the aluminum ball. Then stick it to the base of the cup. Add 3 more balls to the base. Shape more aluminum foil like this and stick to the side of the cup. And stick a large strip of foil to the other side. Now cover the foil in colored glue. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Cover the cup with glue as well. Start at the rim of the cup and let the glue flow down. When the glue sets, you'll have something that looks like this. Don't forget to add a smiley face. Now that's much better.
Hey, have you seen my artifact? It was a small cup. It looked really old.
Oh, I fixed that. See?
You're kidding. My life's work. Ruined.
You don't like it? My greatest creation! Hi, love what you've done with the place. Oh, I have something special for you.
Oh, a pen.
This is no ordinary pen. I've already got a laser pen.
Drat! Okay, what about this? Looks like lipstick, but watch!
Huh? Impressive, right?
Dude, I got that last year. Okay, tough customer. Let me think. Oh, I know.
Can we speed this up?
They show everything! Seriously? Look at them. I can't use these! What am I gonna do? I know. I have this. Place the broken glasses on a flat surface. Use the 3D pen to create a bond across the bridge of the glasses. Continue to apply plastic across the frame of the glasses. Then repeat this on the top of the frame. Once that's done, attach the leg. And use the 3D pen on it. Do this all over the leg. You would never know they were broken. Ahem. I fixed them. Pretty stylish, huh?
Oh, let me try them.
Well, what do you think?
You can keep them.
But… oh, I get it.
And that's why I love you, la la la. This is taking forever. I'm so hungry.
Oh.
Can we eat?
Of course.
Ooh, fancy.
There you go.
So romantic. I think you've forgotten something.
We don't need spoons.
Okay.
Ugh. Tasty.
That's so gross. But he is cute.
Are you not eating?
No, I'm good.
But I wanted this to be perfect. Let me have a look in my bag. An egg? How did that get there? And a 3D pen? Wait, I have an idea! Take an egg and use the 3D pen to draw around it. Create a spiral on the side of the egg, just like this. Then start to draw lines across the spiral. Start to fill it in. Once that's done, remove the plastic from the egg. And attach a handle to it. You've now got a spoon. Then use the 3D pen to add some details. We're making a paw print. Add more details around the spoon. Finally, draw a face on the inside of the spoon. Hey Essie, I made you this.
For me? I love it!
yummy! Wow, try and chew your food.
This is the best day ever!
We're never going to a restaurant. But you're just amazing.
Time for a treat!
Wow, she's my dream girl.
Every cop loves donuts. Gotta get comfortable. I'm in heaven.
They do look good.
Not now!
Why is that so loud? Hello? If only I could hold her in my arms.
My donuts! I can't eat them now!
I wish there was something I could do. Think. How can I impress her? Oh! I think I've got it! Aha! Use the 3D pen to draw a circle. Start to work your way out, making the circle larger. Once the circle is the right size, start to use the 3D pen to build up the height. Just go over the circle, creating layers of plastic. Work your way into the middle. Eventually, you'll have something like this. A mini donut. Switch colors and add some frosting. This is hungry work. Looking good. Then add sprinkles and a chain. The ideal gift. Wow. I hope she likes it. I'm coming, my love! Hey! Psst! What do you want? Come here.
This better not be a trap.
I have something for you.
Aw, it's beautiful! I love it! You're so sweet!
Yes!
Hey, you.
Hey.
Sorry! Hey! Oh no! What am I gonna do? I know! I can use this 3D pen. This'll be easy. I'll draw lines over the gap. This'll make a basic frame. Then I'll start going from side to side, creating a mesh. This'll make it more secure. Okay, now to fill it in. I'll draw lines that are close together. There, that should do it. Now I can use the toilet. What is she doing in there? At last! Whew, they must be desperate.
Hey.
Hi, Brian.
I have something for you.
No way! That's for me? How do you open it?
Wait!
No!
My hero.
That was close. Oh, I have an idea. To protect your iPhone, all you need is a glue gun. Start to apply a layer of glue around the edge of the iPhone. Be careful, making sure you avoid the camera. Let the glue drop down the side of the phone. We want to make sure the phone is safe. Then fill in the rest of the phone. Build up the glue, making sure there's a thick layer. Once the phone is covered, leave the glue to set. Trim off the excess glue and you have a unique phone case. What do you think?
Ooh, it's great! Thank you. Brian? Oops. 3D pens and glue guns can pretty much solve everything. They're so useful. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.